Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Love compatibility between Aries woman Gemini man. How compatible are Aries woman and Gemini man mentally, emotionally and sexually? The word energy best describes the shared quality between an Aries woman and Gemini man in love, although they each use it in their way. While the female ram uses hers to climb the ladder of success, the Gemini twin constantly changes his path. The Aries woman Gemini man couple need to tread carefully. Let's find out what is the best match for an Aries woman in love. Aries woman and Gemini man compatibility. Pros: the Aries woman Gemini man love compatibility and attraction is often immediate, as the fiery woman and the airy man make instant friends. The Gemini man's captivated by her strength and intelligence, and his passionate nature matches her need for excitement in this Aries compatibility. The Aries lady in love appreciates his similar desire for freedom to pursue wherever the wind takes him. But for her, she is more single-minded in her pursuit, which can lead to confusion when the Gemini man in love doesn't show the same singular quest. Both the Aries female and Gemini male soulmates are passionate lovers, and his ability to create romantic fantasies can help to fuel her need for diversity in their lovemaking. Plus, being ruled by the planet Mercury means he is great at communication and will express his love and admiration of her, which she will demand on a regular basis. The only problem that could arise in this Aries woman Gemini woman relationship is his tendency to become swept away by the moment. If dating an Aries woman, she wants her lover to be present and engaged in the raw sexual pleasure, not lost in some illusion he's created for them. But if she can learn to sometimes join him in the fantasy, and he can practice living in the moment, then there will be no end to the satisfaction the Aries woman and Gemini man sexually can enjoy in bed. Read about Aries woman's sexuality. The same satisfaction can be found in the Aries woman Gemini man marriage, as long as the Arian can let go of her possessive nature toward her carefree partner. They often share the same ideas and motivations, which is an important part of living with someone else. But they also enjoy the same witty banter and mind games that help to keep their intellectual selves stimulated. The Aries woman and Gemini man compatibility is a great match when it comes to mental acuity, what with the Aries woman's sharp tongue and the Gemini man's flirtatious repartee. As long as she understands his debates are simply a way to flex his mind, and not an effort to dominate her, these two will have dazzling conversations. The common interests of the Aries woman and Gemini man zodiac signs will serve the relationship well. Aries woman the spotlight while her partner is content to handle things behind the scenes. Her conviction will get them started in the right direction, and his unwavering love and support will keep it going while dating a Gemini man. Aries woman Gemini man compatibility. Cons: the indecisive nature of the Gemini men can be seen as a weakness by the Aries female, who is always focused when reaching a goal. But if she wants to commit to this man, she must be more than willing to use her determined nature to help him narrow down his dreams and go after one objective at a time. Her excitement stimulates his spontaneity, and the two can use that to ignite a spark in their relationship. If this does not happen, then the Aries woman and Gemini woman friendship might break up. Conclusion: can Aries woman and Gemini man be together? Aries is a cardinal fire sign, and Gemini is a mutable air sign. The Aries woman Gemini man compatibility gets a 4 hearts rating. This kind of union will go far, as the Aries woman will initiate endless new adventures. And her Gemini man counterpart will gladly go along for the ride, as long as there is no pressure placed on him. As long as the Aries woman dating the Gemini man offer each other the space that each star sign needs to thrive, this pair will remain the perfect match.